Hello traders, today is the 4th of April 2010, and this is the second part of how to use the commodity channel CCI indicator like the professional traders. In my previous video, I mentioned to you that in order to be successful in trading, we as a retail traders should follow in the footsteps of the professional traders. Okay, we do not want to mess up or spoil the party, as I like to put it to you very often. It's a party, okay? See, as a party of the professional traders, we want to be, the good boys or the good girls of the professional traders, okay? We follow in their footsteps. We don't want to stand on their way. We don't want to mess up their job for them because it's their job at the first place, okay? That's what they live on. So we shouldn't try to mess it up for them by coming in and do crazy things. We follow them, okay? So in this second part of how to use the CCI indicator, in the first part I was saying to you that the CCI indicator is in fact a Bollinger Band, okay? So if you have a Bollinger Band, you don't need the CCI indicator on your chart anymore. In the first part of the video, I give to you the CCI indicator of period 14. But in this second part, I will show you, because I always use, as you should know by now, hopefully, I use, forgive me, I'm kidding here. I use the Bollinger Band of period 50, okay? So I have here my favorite Bollinger Band of 50, deviation 2, and I put below it the CCI, the commodity channel index of period also 50, okay, to compare and show you exactly what the price is doing. Okay, moment please. Okay, now as you can see here, the CCI indicator, the CCI period 50 is above the yellow line here, this 100 level, okay? And if it's above the 100 level, it means that the price also is a Bollinger Band. This is CCI 50, so if it's CCI 50, the price is at the upper band of the Bollinger Band 50. So anytime I'm looking at my favorite Bollinger Band 50 and the price is touching the upper band, I know that those who got their CCI 50 on their chart will see the CCI above the 100 level, and people will be busy selling here because they think that it's overbought here. But the trend line is not broken, okay? The trend line is not broken. So that's why I say to you, number one indicator is the price itself. So if the trend line is not broken, we don't sell because we know better. We don't care whether the CCI is above 100. We don't care whether the RSI is overbought. We don't care whether the stochastic is overbought. We are looking at the number one indicator because every other indicator, they are just trying to repeat the price. So if the price is not changing direction, we are not going to look at the indicator, which is the number two indicator, and we follow the indicator instead of the number one indicator. Okay? We want the real things. We want the real deal. Okay? So this is it. When the CCI is above 100, we know it means that the price is also at upper band. When the CCI is below, if you follow my cursor here, is below minus 100, it means that the price is at a lower band. In my previous video regarding how to use the Bollinger Band, if you haven't watched it before, go and watch it please. When the price is above the middle line of the Bollinger Band, you know that you are in a bullish zone. So why do you want to sell, okay, when the price is in the bullish zone? Are you trying to spoil the party for the bulls? The only time, I say in my previous video regarding the Bollinger Band, the only time you sell above the middle line of the Bollinger Band is when the price itself displays a bearish signal and plus the trend line is broken. But before that, we do not sell at all. even for $1 million we don't sell. Okay, so if we draw our trend line here now, you see, if you draw your trend line here, I mean, I'll draw it like this. Okay, that's it. The trend is intact right here now. Okay, if you want to sell here, either there is another resistance somewhere here, if you follow my cursor here, that has been validated here. That's the only thing that will give us a signal to sell here. If this is a validation of a resistance level, that's the only time we will sell here. Okay, or when the price display a double top or a triple top and the trend line is broken, but the trend line is not broken, so we do not sell. But in most cases, the way they teach people, they say to them, sell when the CCI is above 100. And they start selling. That's what's happening here. People are selling, people are selling, people are selling, and the professional is just buying because the trend is not broken. Okay. Some people will use the Bollinger Band when the price comes above the zero, the 100. They will say the trend will start when the CCI is above 100, and they buy here. Okay. But we know better. When the CCI is above the 100, it means that the price is at band. The upper bound is supposed to be a resistance level. If that resistance does not hold, or if that resistance level, which is the upper bound, did not validate its resistance nature, we know that we should remain the trend. Okay, so this resistance level here, right here, you see, has been broken. It went up and then closed down, but you see it remained. It pushed back. Okay, but it's broken right here, right here, right here. You see, this resistance here is broken by this candle here and being retested by this tail of this candle here, right here, and pull back here, and the trend continue here. Okay, the only time we will sell is if there's a validation or resistance. So that's, like I said to you before, the only thing we want to pay attention to is the price itself, to give us the signal to enter the market and to exit the market. And whenever you come onto your chart, draw the trend line and know in which trend you are in. People ask all the time, it's difficult to know which trend we are in. Draw the trend line. If you are not sure, draw the trend line. You don't need anything else to tell you which trend you have. Just draw the trend line. You know whether you are in an upper trend or downtrend. I mean, draw the trend line. If you draw it here, like here, right, this one here, if you draw it here, yeah, you know that from here to here is a downtrend. Okay, so this is about the CCI indicator. Nothing special. It's just a Bollinger. When it crosses the zero line here, you see the zero line. If you follow my cursor right here, the price cross also my middle band, which is 50, exponential moving at 50, and retest it here. Okay, and people buy here. And if you watch my video how to use the moving average like professional, especially the exponential moving 50 for the intraday traders, very important moving average for intraday traders, price goes above, I said that to you that when the price displayed a bullish signal, then the price closes above the exponential moving 50, we buy. Why are we buying? We are not buying because the price goes above the exponential 50, but we are buying because the price displayed first a bullish pattern, and then now the price closes above the exponential moving 50. That's why we are buying. We are not just buying blindly. Okay, so chart pattern and a close above exponential moving 50, or chart pattern and close below exponential moving 50, and then we sell. Okay, so this is about the CCI. Now you know what is the CCI. In fact, like you say, that's what they say, it's like the price itself. Okay, that's what they told us. Okay, when we start trading first, okay, we hear a lot of story about trading. Okay, so this is it. So you know now that it's just, they say it's repeating the price. They say it's the price, you can trade it itself. But what you need to trade CCI, trade the price itself then. Trade the price itself, draw the trend line on the price itself. What you have to trade the CCI because it's a repeater. Okay, so I hope I did not talk too much and annoy you. Sorry about that. So till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy.